Okay, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRIB. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one a couple times before, down in this area here, and you can see price made a very nice explosive move upwards, and then this red day here occurred, but really nothing to panic about. You may be able to say right now, well, hindsight's 2020, but even at the time, I mean, you have to just use, the sense, what's the market's about. People want to make money, and when you have a move like this, there's going to be profit taking that eventually hits it, and that's what happened today. Or on that day, probably some profit taking that turned in a little bit of panic selling, but you can see price came down there. The bulls said that was enough, and then from there, the rest is history. A new high for today. So one of these days where people that follow charts, people that understand the psychology of the market and know how to factor that into the charts. No reason to really panic here. Now, if you're a day trader and you bought up here, then yeah, you should have probably been out. But if you're following the overall chart, there was never really any reason to panic because this is part of the market. This was just people making money that had bought down in this area, and now that a new base has been built, the price has followed through, and like I said, is now not only put in a new high, but is actually closed at the new high too. So let's just update some things here in terms of supports and resistances. Last time I did the video, this area up here at 0.023 was the level of resistance. This level is now a level of support. Now, granted, the price barely closed above it, so while it is a level of support, yes, I'm going to make this line skinny green, because if the price does fall below it, no need to panic or anything like that. There's still plenty of other support levels below it. The next key level of support, I'm going to call right down here at 0.017. Now, I know there's a pretty big space in between those supports, but that's kind of the catch-22 when you have big explosive moves like this. That does create spaces between the support levels, but I'm sure nobody's exactly complaining about having such a big move here today. And then the other level of support, and maybe it'd be wise just to call this some sort of support zone, is going to be right here at this previous high at 0.0155. So if you wanted to call it a support zone of 0.0155 to 0.017, that'd be I would not call that irrational or non-logical or anything like that. That would make perfect sense. And then of course you have the Mac Daddy support level all the way down here at the 50-day cent moving average, but that's well below the price. Not saying at all that the price is going to go down there, but just pointing that out that for the overall chart, as long as the price remains above that support level, everything is good. And then to end things, really not much I can talk about in terms of resistances, just because the chart is in blue sky breakout territory. The profit taker stepped in at 0.024, but I know that was right at the end of the day. So I'll make that line blue sky, because once again, if it gets up above 0.024, then you'll be back in a blue sky breakout territory once again. So that's where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, and you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you already use charts and you're just looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on that image up above. Multiple courses we offer, all available in instant download format. Everything for beginners up to advanced traders, so I'd encourage you to check that out. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. One more time, this was MRIB. Thanks for listening.